Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless upon yourself first and foremost. Pull on there with the latest. So subscribe if for your first time, yes so. And we are going to talk about where the description of the video says. So today we are talking about Ivany, Pretty Dan, the whole team spice. So tune in. Alright my viewers, alright my subs, bless. So the page where Ivany have operated by Stunner Jamaica on behalf of she. So she made that go on. So at this point that I just for inform the people them. So at this time just pray and support Ivany through hard times. Nobody not perfect, we know them so is it. So loyal fans them, we rate our thing do so. So anybody who used to do business with her now that different cause. Stunner Jamaica I go ensure that the thing them can get post back. Me so them find a solution for that so. Me. Otherwise she have a cake sale that postpone until she come out. All ticket will be honored on the new date. So you know that's sure that gonna keep them. Me so that really are going differently for her. You know, besides that peeps, the people them a say pretty gone over Shenseea team. No go so. She's a promo girl end of the day, and this is the reason why.
Everybody put a cup in the air now.
I mean, anybody with natural and common sense could tell say that literally has nothing to do with her, you know, being a part of the Rummage or Shenseea or whatever. But you don't know from Team Spice mash up away the people them actually want to walk on. So enough little speculations about, you me. If we get revealed, I go get revealed because so the thing said, but we just want people know so nobody have no control over them life. You see me? So do everybody have to do in a life. Please and God bless the whole on. You see me? Except for that one because she move psycho. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that back. She are the only person whenever she try to squash something.
It goes to show that the people have the last say and not some jalopy like footahype who can't hold his woman, who have a big mouth and don't know how to make use of it, and who try to be so hype and to stay so relevant when he's simply a nobody that was locked away in jail, no bail, that I tapping did spiritual work for, and he came out and did not say a thank you. So why does the spirit come after you for their money? Got you out, and Dutty Dawn got both of you out. And that is the way that you show your thankfulness? Now Amari is just rejoicing. Because first, Richard Feelings tried to kill Amari's song, Nico, by telling people the song would not last. Now, the song is hotter than ever because Amari have gained recognition. Now, some of the artists are upset. Alkaline Camp is upset. They are like, why is Amari at number 4 for last year? It should have been Alkaline. But the judges and the people, they say no. Amari needs to be at number 4. Of course she didn't do a collab with Taurus Riley, but on her own, without a manager, without a team, without an entourage, Amari, along with her son David, made it to number 1 and climbed the charts. The hottest song for 2021, no doubt. Now I see a lot of jackass in my comment box. Do I care? You're on my page. Deal with it, Edge. Whether you like it or not, you gotta follow me, cause ain't nothing to watch, not even Netflix. Bowing. Now, the artist to watch out for. Should you watch out for me? So I'm asking something. If I come, you think something I tell you. All I have to say is, Shenseea, don't get too comfortable. I only put you in that seat to hold it for me, okay? I had to teach Spice a lesson, to show her that call upon God and not on man with your obia. I put you there for a limited time only, so don't get too comfortable. I asked God for 3 years, because I'm going to do a tummy tuck like you. Did you have a child? So how come your belly so flat? You're cool, eh? So how come your booty so big? I thought you were natural beauty. So I think I gotta do a couple things like you do. I have 13 kidney. I owe that to myself. But like I say, darling, I'm the diva from Jamaica. Don't get too comfortable. I just need some time. And when I say I'm ready to take over the throne, bitch, step back. Okay? So I choose, God, choose to put Shenseea in that seat for a little while, because ain't no show going on. Bitch getting broke. You can sit right there. And tell me something, ladies and gentlemen. During the time of COVID, Spice sold all these records. Why would you buy song nowadays when you can download them for free, especially Jamaican? Oh, I buy no song on iTunes. After iTunes are relevant no more. Is either streaming or the DJ them put up your song on YouTube. I'll play that Ross in a dance hall. Oh, I take 99 cents or $1.29 or $1.49 about them I buy song. Hurt, y'all need to come up with a new plan to get to benefit off music. Amari already did the arithmetic. Oh my gosh. I need to drink my protein shake. Instagram, I miss you. I love you. My SLB. Follow me. Facebook.com/Amari DJ Mona Lisa. When you go there, you will see my main page, Facebook.com/Amari777. But if you want to keep up with the latest news, follow me at Facebook.com/Amari77. Because this is the year when the dancers, oh, by the way, did you see how that dancer ended up being real shame? What's her name? Oh, I'm a dumb blonde. What's her name? Trouble? What's her name? Danger? I thought your cousin picked up for you the other day. But then again, you should be able to take up for yourself. What a disgrace on YouTube. You say you couldn't fight off the man. And she cried. She cried. She cried. Only to find out that the girl is a former boxer. Go look at her video on YouTube. Not a man who is a boxer. Danger happens to be a professional boxer. And you're telling me that single-handedly you were being attacked by a father, by a man who knew he was in the public's eye. He was engaged to the fake dancehall queen, and you weren't able to cry him up, leave a mark on him, something. And as a boxer, even then after he did what he did, you still did not report him. That's why some itches just need to shut the F up and sit down. Because if Amari say, I saw it go, I saw it go. Oh my gosh, these idiots here, they make my sweat. Sweat, too much stress, a damn stressing up. But by the time I have to do the arithmetic, you know what? Have you ever sit and considered that dancehall artists think you all are stupid. Especially when you follow them and you're taking up for them like that idiot right there. They feel like you have no sense. Because when Amari talks sense, you don't believe. Because you're busily hating me for my 13 kids, my 23-year-old boyfriend, my good up looks, no bumps, and because I just lost some weight. You should see the itches who are on the computer disliking Amari right now. They just want to be me. Yeah, but overall,